Welcome. In today's guide, we're diving into a simple but super useful feature many people don't know about: how to disable camera effects on WhatsApp. Whether you're tired of filters automatically showing up or you just want a clean camera view, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version of the app so all the newest settings and options appear correctly. Once you're inside, look for the three dots in the top right corner if you're on Android, or head straight to the bottom menu if you're on iPhone. Tap on Settings to open your account preferences. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Privacy. This is where WhatsApp stores most of your personal control options, like last seen, profile photo visibility, and now, camera effects. So go ahead and tap Privacy. Now look for the option that says Allow Camera Effects. By default, this setting might be turned on, which means WhatsApp automatically gives your camera some enhancements, like filters, light adjustments, or AR-style overlays. If you'd rather take photos and videos without any extra visual changes, it's time to turn this off. Simply toggle off the switch next to Allow Camera Effects. When you turn it off, WhatsApp will stop adding any AI-based or preloaded effects when you're using the camera inside the app. From now on, all your photos and videos will appear exactly as your camera captures them, natural and unedited. And that's it. You've successfully disabled camera effects in WhatsApp. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference, especially if you prefer to keep your media authentic or edit photos manually with your own tools later on. If you found this helpful, go ahead and share it with someone who might still be figuring out their WhatsApp settings. Remember, small tweaks like this can really improve your overall messaging experience. Thanks for watching.